Hi guys, it's Saturday, so that means Palengke Day. We're going to Tongkan Kam Market here in Vientiane, Laos.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. In your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave.
Dito kami usually namimili kasi maraming fresh vegetable, isda, chicken, and everything we need for the week. Now, our budget today is 600,000 kip, more or less 1,900 pesos. We'll see kung gaano karami ang mabibili namin. And kung kasya ba for 4 people for a week. But guys, disclaimer lang this will always depend on your own budgeting. For us, ganito kami mag-manage ng weekly food budget. This doesn't mean na sakto ito for everyone. Pero in this vlog, we'll try to show how much you can buy with this amount. Depende pa rin sa way ng pagbabudget ng bawat isa. So we're here at Tongkan Kam Market. Nagparking muna kami at ang bayad dito ay 10,000 kip. Siguro, mga 32 pesos din yun. So first stop natin, fish section. We always buy from this stall kasi sikat na rin ito sa mga Pinoy dito. We bought galunggong. Ang presyo nito ay 40,000 kip. Nasa 129 pesos. And then bumili kami ng isang malaking bangus. 323 pesos. And then bumili din kami ng isang malaking tulingan. Ang presyo nito ay 130,000 kip. They also even cleaned and sliced it for us. Very convenient. Next, magpunta naman tayo sa chicken. Ang daming option. Merong breast, legs, wings, balon-balunan, etc. etc. And for this stall, we bought chicken legs for 66,000 kip or 213 pesos. And then bumili din kami ng chicken breast sa halagang 55,000 kip or 177 pesos. Pwede na to for adobo, tinola, or kahit prito. Then, nagpunta naman tayo sa bilihan ng garlic, onion, etc. Then, we got some basic ingredients. For onion, ang price nito ay 10,000 kip. Sa garlic naman na binili namin ay 10,000 kip din. White onion plus potato, this is 11,000 kip. And then, bumili din kami ng sitaw o string beans for 5,000 kip. At bumili din kami ng kamatis o tomatoes for 10,000 kip. Total here is around 147 pesos. We also bought mustard leaves or mustasa for 5,000 kip. Then, we walk to another side of the market kasi maraming bilihan din dito. Next, we got calamansi for 20,000 kip or 65 pesos and kamote leaves for 10,000 kip or 32 pesos. Then bumili din kami ng talong for 6,000 kip or 19 pesos. Tsaka bumili din kami ng siling panigang for 3,000 kip or 10 pesos. And then we also bought eggs for 27,000 kip or 87 pesos. Nakakita naman kami ng avocado, so bumili kami ng isang avocado sa halagang 20,000 kip or 65 pesos. And that's it. We pack everything sa rolling basket namin na ito yung hinihila-hila ko and went back to the car. Siguro mission complete na. So, ang total gastos namin for today ay halagang 538,000 kip or around 1,735 pesos. So, pasok pa rin sa budget, di ba? Again, this is just how we manage our budget. Depende pa rin sa inyo kung paano ninyo ibabudget ang weekly food ninyo. Pero hopefully, this vlog gives you an idea kung gaano na ang mabibili dito sa Laos for this kind of budget. Thanks for watching guys. If nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, paki-like, comment, and subscribe. See you again next time. Thank you for watching.